Instant Lactum, the full and creamy milk for your child's fast growth years, presents The Search for That's My Boy 1994.
Hi, Tito Jim.
And welcome back and welcome to That's My Boy 94 here in Bulaga. Search for cute, talented, intelligent young boys ages 7 years old and below.
Of course, this contest is brought to you by Lacto, the full and creamy milk for your child's fast growth years.
Okay, at nandito po ang ating mga galing o mga cute na little boy for today. Narito po, imit natin sina Paulo, Robin, and Johnny.
And that's my boy na Pasig. Oh my gosh, guwaping na ang dating ko, no? Kala nyo si Mark Anthony Fernandez to, no? Hindi. Sabi ng mama ko, mas pogi ako doon. Pero sabi ng mga friends ko, mas cute ako doon. Ang nasa harap niyo ngayon ay si Robin Realo Lavilla Sugay. And that's my boy na piniramdam Nueva Ecija. Hello everybody! Wala akong kamukhang artista. Ang kamukha ko, ang papa ko. Pogi ang papa ko, kaya pogi rin ako, diba? Oh, ako nga pala si Johnny Manawat. Ang That's My Boy ng Punsurin, Valenzuela, Metro Manila. Hintayin niyo ako sa talent portion. Awitan ko kayong lahat.
Okay? Yan
Ayun.
po yung tatlo nating attorney.
Ato.
Attorney.
Okay, anyway, Paulo, Robin, and Johnny, babalikan po natin sila sa ating talent portion. At samantala, para sa mga cute, talented, intelligent young boys na gustong sumali sa ating search for That's My Boy 94, narito po ang paraan kung paano.
This portion was brought to you by Lactum, the full and creamy milk for your child's fast growth years. Welcome to the talent portion of That's My Boy 1994, brought to you by Lactum, the full and creamy milk for your child's fast growth years.
Welcome to the talent portion of That's My Boy.
Here's our first candidate from Medina Ortigas Extension, Pasig, Metro Manila. Siya ay anak ni Noel, Roque at Maricor Dalusong. Siya po'y aawit. Ang kanyang aawitin ay I Believe in Dreams. In Tagalog?
Naniniwala ako sa panaginip.
Galing.
Oh, di ba?
Oo, para kasi Jimmy.
Pero sa Tagalog lang baliktad.
Here's Paulo Noel Dalusong Roque.
Fly me the moon.
much, Paulo. And now we move on to our next contestant. He's also 6 years old from Santo Tomas, Peñaranda, Nueva Ecija. Ang kanyang mga magulang ay si Ronaldo at saka si Lisa. At siya naman ay sasayaw ng isang folk dance. Di ba?
Tama.
Di ba? Maglalatik. Yan ang
In
gagawin
English?
niya. Hindi ko na alam yon. Ano yan sa English? Maglalatik.
Oil man.
Ano?
Oil man.
Bakit oil?
Ano yan eh? Langis yan yung mga...
Sabi nun, nakuha
Coconut
nila
oil.
ako. Hindi ko nakuha. Sila nakuha.
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Oil man.
Maglalatik. Okay. Please welcome Robin Sugay.
Yun ang tunay na folk
Robin.
dance.
Oo. Bakit?
Pok-pok dance.
Paray po.
Oo, pok-pok lang siya ng pok-pok.
Pag ikaw siguro, nagganon,
Hindi ko na kailangan yung mga shell.
sa buto mo na lang.
Oo.
Magkaganon mo.
Sa talas ng mga buto ko, hindi na kailangan yung tutunog at tutunog.
Oo.
Ang ikatlo nating That's My Boy ay 7 years old from Punturin, Valenzuela, Metro Manila. The son of Antonio and Josefina. Siya naman ay awit. Kanyang piyesa ay Without You. In Tagalog?
Wala ka.
Okay na rin. Oh.
Di ba wala ka, di ba?
Tama,
Wala
tama.
ka without you.
Wala.
Wala.
Wala. Here's Johnny Manawat.
No, I can't forget this evening or your face as you were living. But I guess you'd get to where the story goes. You always smile, but in your eyes your sorrow shows. It shows. So I can't forget tomorrow when I think about my sorrow. When I have you there, but then I let you go. And now it's only fair that I should let you know what it should know. Yeah. But I know I can't live if looking at without you. I can't give, I can't live anymore. I can't live if living is without you. I can't live. I can't live anymore. Thank you.
Ano?
Tinitignan ko baka naipit yung paa eh. Hindi naman.
Mataas.
Oh,
Kaya mo yan?
Hindi. Style na.
May mga nanginginig pa yung ano eh. Hindi mo kaya.
That's our talent portion. Kami po yung magbabalik with the question and answer after this reminders.
Stay with us. We'll be back.
Mga bulili, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Mga cute, talented, at intelligent little boys. Kung kayo'y 7 years old and below, mag-audition na sa Lactum Search for That's My Boy 1994 tuwing alas 2 ng hapon sa 8 Bulaga offices. Tape Incorporated, number 79, Xavierville Avenue, Xavierville Subdivision, Loyola Heights, Quezon City. At hanapin lang si Tito J. Montelimano. At para naman sa mga gumagamit ng Lactum, ipadala ang isang 200-gram o di kaya'y isang 400-gram empty foil pack of Lactum. Ilagay sa envelope kasama ang inyong pangalan, your child's name, address, and signature on a piece of paper, and send to Lactum. That's My Boy Home Partner Portion. Mead Johnson Philippines Incorporated, 2309 Pasong Tamo Extension, Makati, Metro Manila. Malalaking cash prizes ang naghihintay sa inyo. At sa Grand Finals, 10,000 pesos ang makakamit ng ating Lucky Home Viewer. Ipadala na agad ang inyong mga entries sa Lucky Home Viewer portion of Lactum Search for That's My Boy 1994. The 1994 Search for That's My Boy talent portion was brought to you by Lactum, the full and creamy milk for your child's fast growth years. The question and answer portion of That's My Boy 1994 is brought to you by Lactum, the full and creamy milk for your child's fast growth years.
Back to it, Bulaga. That's My Boy question and answer portion. And this is My Boy. Nilinis mo na ba yung auto ko? My Boy. Pare. Ang una nating contestant si Paolo Roque.
Paolo, pangalan ng Papa. Papa sa Roma.
Ano ba si Paolo? Malalaki na to. Paolo, pili ka na isa.
Okay. Paolo, pinahiram mo ng laruan ang kalaro mo, pero nang isoli niya sa'yo, sira-sira na.
Aba.
Pahihiramin mo pa ba siya uli o hindi na?
Hindi na po.
Bakit, Paolo?
Sisirain niya po.
Sirain lang niya?
Eh kung hindi naman sinasadya yung pagkakasira.
O di ba bayaran ko sa kanila po?
Kanino?
Sa kanya po.
Sino?
Yung bata po.
Sino bata? Wala naman bata rito. Basta papahiram siya. Sisiguraduhin lang niyang huwag sisirain. Pag nangihiram ka naman, huwag mo naman sisirain, siyempre. Iingatan mo.
Aircon.
Ha? Okay, sige.
Okay, sige,
Salamat, Paolo.
Oh. Parang ulang pa.
Kila Grace, nakatutok. Parang di sila mainitan. Yan, Robin Sugay.
Robin. Yan. May aircon kaming bago rito.
Kumusta ka, Robin?
Buti naman po.
Okay.
Okay.
Pili ka isa.
Okay. Robin, kapag may nagawa kang kasalanan, ano ang ginagawa mo para maipakita kina mami at daddy na nagsosorry ka sa kanila?
Hingi po ako ng tawad.
Yun ang gagawin
Paano
mo.
ka humihingi ng tawad?
Anong...
Magsosorry po ako.
Oo nga.
Paano mo sinasabi?
Paano mo sinasabi?
Nari, nakabasag ka ng mukha. Pinggan. Pinggan, nakabasag ka.
Oh, si daddy mo si Big.
Sasabihin ko na lang po, Mama, Daddy, sana patawanan po ako kasi po nabasag ko yung pinggan.
At hindi mo naman sinasadya.
Hindi bale, anak. Dumami naman ang pinggan natin.
Yun.
Madami.
Natuwa pa si Mami. Okay. Salamat,
Buti,
Robin.
Pwede pa kayo maglaro ng tanching.
Magandang pamato yun sa piko. Joni Manawat is our third
Johnny.
contestant. Gusto ka, Joni?
Kamusta po?
Mabuti naman.
Okay.
Kamusta na mamagiging? Okay ba kayo diyan?
Johnny, sa iyong palagay, bakit dapat matutong mag-ipon ng pera ang isang batang katulad mo?
Para po paglaki ko po, magpapagawa po ako ng bahay.
Ganda.
Anong bahay ang gusto mong pagawa?
Anong klaseng bahay?
Yung katulad ng bahay ng mama ko.
Yung may mga numero na umiikot-ikot ang daga. Paano?
Ano yan? Bahay sugalan yan eh.
Ano ba bahay ni Mami? Anong bahay niya? Malaki?
Hindi po.
Ilang kwarto?
2 lang po.
Kanino yung dalawa?
Yung isa po sa ate ko, yung isa po sa amin 2 ng mama ko.
Okay. Sige, salamat,
Thank you,
Joni.
Johnny.
Hoy! Aba, sino mga naman? Ang mga maglalatik.
At ang...
Bagay na bagay ako.
Tama yun. Oo. Sabi nila maglalakad.
Dati ako na maglalatik. Ang tanong ko, kakasa yung bao.
Kasya yan, if there's a will, kakasya yan.
Okay, ang winner natin for today will be receiving 1,000 pesos and the non-winners 500 pesos plus Lactum gift packs.
Oh, kita mo, may Lactum.
Oh.
Our That's My Boy 1994 winner will also be receiving 25,000 pesos worth of educational plan from Platinum Plans Incorporated, plus a round-trip ticket for 2 to Hong Kong, courtesy of Renoma Shoes.
And of course, the runners-up for That's My Boy 94 will also be getting educational plans from Platinum Plans Incorporated worth 12,500 pesos.
And now we would like to call back our 3 contestants for today.
Contestant number 1, we have Paulo Roque. Contestant number 2, we have Robin Sugay. And contestant number 3, we have Joni Manawa.
Our winner for today to receive 1,000 pesos is contestant number 3. Congratulations to Joni Manawat. He will be back to join us again in the semi-final round of Eat Bulaga Search for That's My Boy 1994, brought to you by
Lactum, the full and creamy milk for your child's fast growth years.
Stay with us. We'll be back with more of you.
Search for That's My Boy 1994 is brought to you by Instant Lactum, the full and creamy milk for your child's fast growth years.
To achieve his full growth potential during his growing up years, your child needs more than an ordinary full cream milk. He needs Instant Lactum, the full and creamy milk that provides extra minerals, vitamins, and carbohydrates for your child's fast growth years. Instant Lactum, the full and creamy milk for your child's fast growth years.
Give life to your dreams. Ask about Platinum Education and Pension Plans. With Platinum Education and Pension Plans, dreams still come true. Introducing new Mr. Teeth toothpaste with fluoride protection to prevent tooth decay, plus extra fresh flavor that cleans teeth and freshens breath. New Mr. Teeth toothpaste. Have your fill of the best salads in town, only at the Salad Station, located at both the food courts of Robinson's Gallery Ortigas and at the SM Mega Mall, Building A, EDSA. Arthur's Legazpi Towers and Taft Avenue accepts made-to-order pans and barong finished within 6 hours. Visit their other branches. Orocan Plastic Products, laging ginagaya pero hindi kaya. Plastic na matibay, walang kapantay. Plastic na makulay, buhay na buhay. Try Ambrosia's Lechon Baka at the Xavierville Avenue branch of Ambrosia's Native Lechon and Restaurant. Ambrosia's